The Volvo Paragon isn't just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece of innovation and elegance on wheels. This futuristic design blends cutting-edge technology with uncompromising luxury, creating an experience unlike anything else on the road. Step inside, and the interior lounge immediately sets the tone. Silver and black styling creates a sophisticated atmosphere, with plush leather seating trimmed in chrome. Ambient LEDs shift to match the mood, while hidden touch panels control lighting, climate, and entertainment. A foldable smart table with wireless charging sits between recliners, and a sleek OLED screen is seamlessly built into the wall, turning the lounge into a futuristic living hub. The Paragon even includes a compact swimming pool. Silver borders and LED-lit edges make it both stylish and practical, with advanced filtration and temperature controls ensuring the perfect dip at any time. A retractable cover keeps the pool safe and efficient, while built-in hydrojets turn it into a relaxing spa experience. The bedroom is designed as a compact luxury retreat. A built-in bed with a chrome-trimmed leather headboard doubles as storage space, while adjustable LED ceiling strips create the right lighting for rest or reading. Temperature-controlled bedding adapts to the seasons, and a retractable smart screen provides entertainment. Voice commands handle shading, music, and climate, turning the bedroom into a seamless sanctuary. Entertainment continues in the Motorhome's mini cinema. Rows of recliners in silver and black feature seat heating, adjustable angles, and smart cup holders. An 8K wall-mounted display pairs with Dolby Atmos surround sound for a cinematic experience, while the suspension system keeps the ride smooth so the movie never skips a beat. The kitchen combines futuristic design with practicality. Gesture-controlled cabinets conceal sleek chrome appliances, including an induction stove, convection oven, and adaptive smart fridge. LED strips illuminate glossy counters, while an AI-driven inventory system tracks groceries and suggests recipes. It's a space-efficient design that elevates cooking on the road. The bathroom adds spa-inspired indulgence. Silver and chrome surfaces frame a sleek sink beneath a smart mirror that displays updates and info. A premium shower cabin with LED trims and precise digital controls sits alongside a compact jacuzzi tub. Ambient lighting shifts to calming hues, and advanced sanitation systems ensure cleanliness, making the bathroom as refined as the rest of the Paragon. At the front, the cockpit feels like a spacecraft. Dual silver-black pilot seats feature massage functions and memory settings. A chrome-trimmed dashboard integrates digital controls with augmented reality projections on the panoramic glass. Navigation, energy use, and safety alerts appear seamlessly, while voice commands let the driver stay focused on the road. The exterior is equally futuristic, with silver metallic curves, bold accents, and aerodynamic efficiency. Cameras replace side mirrors, adaptive headlights adjust in real time, and retractable solar panels support auxiliary energy. Performance comes from Volvo's hybrid electric platform, delivering quiet electric driving with combustion backup for range. Adaptive suspension ensures stability, while advanced driver assist systems provide safety and ease. Industry insiders expect pricing to start near $1.8 million, with customization options pushing higher. For those who invest, the Paragon isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury sanctuary on wheels. The Peugeot Grand Tour X is more than a motorhome. It's a bold vision of the future on wheels. Its pearl-white aerodynamic body glides with sleek, uninterrupted lines, echoing the elegance of a futuristic yacht. A sweeping panoramic windshield stretches from roof to base, transforming into smart glass that adjusts to light conditions in real time. Oversized chrome alloy wheels ground the design with strength and stability, while integrated LED strips illuminate the curves, doubling as both running lights and ambient mood lighting. With its double-deck smart glass panels and minimalist details, every angle of the Grand Tour X makes a powerful statement of innovation and style. Step into the lounge and modern luxury greets you instantly. Sculpted leather recliners, equipped with heating, cooling, and massage, invite you to relax in comfort. At the center, a chrome-trimmed smart table doubles as both wireless charging dock and media hub. Ambient LEDs weave along the ceiling and floor, shifting seamlessly from warm tones to cool hues depending on mood. A hidden surround sound system immerses the room in audio without disrupting its clean design. The bedroom is compact, yet indulgent. proving that comfort doesn't require vast space. A queen-sized bed folds into the wall to transform the area into a lounge by day, while premium bedding and memory foam promise restful nights. Wall panels conceal storage compartments, opened with a touch to preserve the clean design. Smart lighting simulates sunrise for natural waking, or dims into night mode for deep rest. In the kitchen, practicality meets futuristic design. A sleek induction cooktop, convection oven, and smart fridge track groceries, suggest recipes, and even reorder supplies. Touch-sensitive controls disappear when idle, leaving only smooth pearl-white cabinetry with hidden storage. LED task lighting brightens counters, while a retractable faucet dispenses filtered or sparkling water. Despite its compact footprint, this kitchen blends efficiency with elegance, equally ready for quick snacks or gourmet meals on the road. The bathroom transforms utility into a spa-like retreat. A built-in jacuzzi tub with hydrotherapy jets and glowing base lights commands attention, while a rainfall shower offers a refreshing alternative. Chrome accents against pearl-white panels create a clean, polished aesthetic. Heated floors and smart ventilation complete the space, ensuring it's as comfortable as it is futuristic. At the front, the cockpit feels like stepping into a spacecraft. Dual leather seats face a chrome-trimmed digital dashboard that replaces buttons with customizable displays. Drive-by-wire steering and autonomous driving modes offer precision and ease, while ambient LEDs sharpen focus. Quiet, smooth, and advanced. This cockpit turns driving into piloting. Performance brings everything together. A hybrid electric drivetrain delivers silent, efficient power with a backup generator extending range. Adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts to highways, city streets, or light off-road conditions, keeping the ride smooth. Advanced driving assistance, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, auto parking, and full highway autonomy removes the stress of long journeys. With the speed of an SUV and the comfort of a luxury home, the Grand Tour X redefines what travel can be. Pricing places this masterpiece firmly in the ultra-luxury category, beginning in the multi-million-dollar range. But the Peugeot Grand Tour X isn't just about cost. It's about redefining intelligent, sustainable, and indulgent living on the move. At first glance, the exterior of Cadillac's futuristic motorhome immediately commands attention. Its glossy pearl-white body is accented with subtle gold and black trims, sculpted into aerodynamic curves that radiate elegance and power. Striking LED strips run along the sides, glowing at night to emphasize its presence. Oversized chrome wheels with Cadillac's emblem add strength beneath the elegance, while panoramic tinted windows conceal the luxury inside. This isn't just transportation, it's architecture in motion. Inside, the lounge sets the tone for comfort and technology. Plush white and gold leather sofas trimmed with sleek black accents reflect Cadillac's craftsmanship. A retractable OLED smart screen folds from the ceiling, offering streaming and connectivity paired with immersive surround sound. Ambient lighting embedded into angular ceiling panels shifts from golden warmth to daylight tones, creating the perfect mood. Wireless charging stations and hidden storage complete the clean, futuristic design. This is more than seating. It's a mobile living room built for style. The bedroom balances compactness with indulgence. A white leather bed with gold trim sits beneath concealed LED strips that glow softly for relaxation. Smart controls embedded in the headboard manage lighting, temperature, and sound. Hydraulic soft-close storage compartments maximize space without noise, while hidden speakers add immersive audio. For late-night entertainment, a retractable display folds down at the foot of the bed. It feels like a five-star suite on wheels. The kitchen blends space-efficient design with Cadillac's luxury touch. Glossy white counters with gold trims and sleek black cabinetry concealed induction cooktops, a smart oven, and a sliding door refrigerator. An automated coffee station is seamlessly integrated, while adaptive LED lighting brightens the work area without overwhelming the space. A compact bar counter with leather stools doubles as both dining and entertainment space, complete with a smart display for recipes, videos, or virtual assistants. In the bathroom, Cadillac transforms compact design into a spa-like retreat. A built-in jacuzzi tub finished in glossy white and gold sits at the center, complemented by marble-textured tiles with golden veining. Touch-sensitive wall panels control water, lighting, and music, while hydrotherapy jets adjust to preference. A rainfall shower adds a refreshing alternative, and soft LED trims create a serene, spa-like glow. At the front, the cockpit blends luxury and futuristic control. Two sculpted leather seats trimmed in gold face, a dashboard finished in glossy black with amber gold accents. Intuitive touchscreens replace most buttons, integrating navigation, diagnostics, and entertainment into one system. Augmented reality navigation overlays and adaptive driving assistance enhance safety, while Cadillac's responsive steering ensures smooth handling despite the vehicle's size. Performance is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid system. The electric drive offers near-silent operation in the city, while the combustion engine provides long-distance power. Adaptive suspension absorbs road imperfections, regenerative braking recycles energy, and acceleration remains smooth and effortless. Despite its scale, the motorhome glides with the precision of a luxury sedan. Pricing places this Cadillac firmly in the upper echelon of motorhomes, with early estimates in the several $100,000 range. It represents more than value. It's a statement of prestige, engineering, and design excellence. Cadillac has turned the motorhome into a futuristic luxury residence, a spa, and a command center on wheels. Every detail transforms limitations into opportunities, proving that innovation and indulgence can travel side by side. The first impression of the Bugatti Luxura GT is breathtaking. Its design language echoes Bugatti's legendary hypercars, but on a grander scale. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic curves, finished in a polished chrome silver coat that reflects light like liquid metal. At the front, the iconic horseshoe grille anchors the design, framed by futuristic headlights. A six-wheel configuration adds stability and enhances its aggressive stance. From every angle, the Luxura GT feels like a spaceship engineered for the highway, bold, commanding, and undeniably Bugatti. Inside, the lounge sets the tone for futuristic luxury. Silver-white leather seats wrap around the cabin, each with built-in heating, cooling, and massage controls. A panoramic display stretches across the wall, streaming entertainment or controlling the motorhome's climate system. Surround sound speakers create a 360-degree audio experience, while ambient LED lighting shifts in color to match the mood. Smart glass windows adjust instantly for privacy or natural light. Even the tables and storage compartments are trimmed in chrome, merging elegance with practicality. Entertainment reaches new heights with the private cinema hall. Recliner seats finished in Bugatti leather come with personal controls and temperature-adjustable cup holders. A high-definition projection system delivers crystal-clear visuals, supported by Dolby Atmos speakers. Lighting and sound adjust automatically through a smart scheduling system, transforming the motorhome into a theater for movies, shows, or documentaries. The Luxura GT even features a compact swimming pool, trimmed in chrome with LED-lit surfaces that shimmer like starlight. Temperature controls allow it to shift from a cool dip to a warm spa-like soak, adding indulgence rarely seen in motorhomes. In the bedroom, luxury and technology meet seamlessly. A silver leather memory foam bed adapts to posture, while the headboard houses touch controls for lights, blinds, and entertainment. A retractable 4K display offers movies at the touch of a button. Smart climate control keeps conditions perfect, and hidden wireless charging stations provide convenience. Compact yet premium, the bedroom feels like a 5-star suite on wheels. The kitchen emphasizes compact elegance. Glossy silver surfaces conceal built-in appliances that respond to touch and voice commands. The induction cooktop doubles as a smart screen for recipes or streaming. A hidden refrigerator blends into the cabinetry, while an automated coffee station ensures luxury is always available. Adaptive lighting makes cooking effortless, while shelves and drawers open with a simple wave of the hand. In the bathroom, luxury peaks with a compact jacuzzi framed in chrome and soft LED lighting. Water jets adjust automatically, while a digital panel sets temperature, lights, and even music. A rainfall shower complements the jacuzzi, and a smart mirror provides health insights and grooming assistance. Every surface glistens with high-end finishes, turning the bathroom into a futuristic spa. The cockpit blends hypercar DNA with advanced AI technology. Premium leather seats ensure comfort, while digital panels project navigation and performance analytics in real time. Semi-autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera enhance safety and confidence. Driving the Luxura GT feels more like piloting a futuristic grand tourer than steering a motorhome. Performance is powered by a next-gen hybrid engine derived from Bugatti's hypercars, delivering seamless acceleration and efficiency. Adaptive suspension adjusts in real time. Carbon ceramic brakes ensure control, and insulation keeps the cabin whisper quiet, even at high speeds. Exclusivity defines the Luxura GT. Production will be extremely limited, with pricing expected in the multi-million-dollar range. More than just a motorhome, it's a symbol of ultimate status and engineering artistry. In a world where luxury and futuristic innovation merge seamlessly, one vehicle stands out as a masterpiece of design and engineering. The BMW Supernova is a motorhome that doesn't just redefine travel, it reimagines the very concept of what a luxury RV can be. From the very first glance, the Supernova demands attention. Its exterior design blends the sharp, aerodynamic lines of a hypercar with the presence of a futuristic transport machine. The metallic silver body, traced with golden LED accents, creates a glowing presence. Oversized wheels with black and gold finishes emphasize stability and performance, while panoramic tinted glass windows integrate seamlessly into the flowing design. At the front, a reimagined BMW grille crowns the vehicle, signaling prestige and innovation. Step inside, and the lounge showcases BMW's futuristic vision. Modular seating adapts to needs through gesture-controlled mechanics, reclining, rotating, or folding away. Black chrome surfaces, glossy trims, and golden LED highlights mirror the exterior style, while smart glass panels shift from transparent to opaque with a voice command. Wireless charging pads, AI assistants, and adaptive lighting elevate the experience into a compact yet luxurious retreat. The bedroom redefines compact comfort. At its heart is a smart bed that adjusts automatically to posture, supported by biometric sensors tracking heart rate, sleep cycles, and breathing patterns. Hidden storage opens with touch or voice control, while a digital ceiling display transforms into a starry night sky or calming visuals. Integrated speakers create immersive soundscapes, while advanced air filtration ensures clean, refreshing air, making the space a true sanctuary. In the kitchen, compact efficiency meets futuristic style. Retractable counters reveal induction cooktops and appliances, all integrated with the AI system for voice or holographic control. A smart refrigerator monitors freshness and suggests meals, while self-cleaning surfaces eliminate spills. Subtle golden LED lines accent the cabinetry, blending technology with elegance. The bathroom exemplifies compact luxury. A water recycling shower balances comfort with sustainability, while touch-free faucets and self-cleaning systems add futuristic hygiene. A holographic mirror doubles as a grooming assistant, displaying weather or health updates. Golden lighting against chrome finishes creates a soothing yet premium atmosphere. The cockpit feels like a command center. The futuristic steering interface integrates haptic feedback, while autonomous driving technology enables seamless switching between manual and self-driving modes. Premium leather seats with smart posture adjustment ensure comfort, while a 360-degree camera system enhances safety. Performance matches the luxury. Built on a hybrid electric platform, the Supernova balances power and efficiency with smooth acceleration and adaptive suspension. Energy management and regenerative braking extend range, making long journeys effortless. Driving it feels closer to piloting a futuristic grand tourer than maneuvering an RV. As for pricing, the BMW Supernova is expected to sit in the multi-million-dollar range. It's not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle statement for those who demand the pinnacle of design, engineering, and prestige. The BMW Supernova is more than a motorhome. It's a moving work of art, a futuristic home, and a performance machine. Every detail pushes boundaries, setting a new benchmark for the world of luxury RVs.